everyone, today we'll set up and run Apache Kafka. So I've written down some of the commands over here. So these are few commands. So first you need to have Zookeeper Kafka installed in your system. You start on the servers, create a topic. Topic, it is actually a unique name for your Kafka stream. Create a producer. Producer is what that will send some message to your Kafka, and consumer is it is an application that will read the data from your Kafka server. So these are the steps you need to perform for your Kafka setup. Apart from that, if you have Docker installed in a system, you can use the Docker commands. But before that, you create a network bridge, start the Zookeeper, start Kafka, and we can use conductor, which is a GUI interface which helps you create the topics, producers and consumers. So let's start with this one. I would like to let you know that once you have Java, Kafka and Zookeeper installed on your system, you need to have the proper environment variable set up. So you come here in the Java home, I've given till JDK. In the path variable, I have given till bin location. Same with the Zookeeper till the bin location on my system. Apart from that, so let's start. Coming to the Zookeeper. So these are some of the changes in the config in the conf folder. Come here to this file. We need to rename this file to zoo.cfg, and we need to make sure the path is correct. Till this location for data dir, we need to give the path till here. Also, you can see here client port on which Zookeeper will be running is 2181. So this is fine. Let me come to Kafka in this config folder. In this server.properties, make sure you have the correct location for the logs. You can see here logs.dirs, right? So this should be same as per your system. I've given the path till here, right? So you can see a number of partitions are 1, and Zookeeper is running on port number 2181. This is the same as we gave in the other config file. So let's close this. Let's start the Zookeeper. So to start the Zookeeper, this is the command zk server. So you can see here binding to port 2181, so it has been started. Now let us start Kafka. I'll open another command prompt editor. I've already opened it. I'll go to this location where my Kafka is installed, and we need to execute this command, right? So I already have this written over here. So you can see here my Kafka server has started. Next is we need to create the topic, right? So I'll open another command prompt window, and we need to go to this location till bin / windows, and I'm creating my topic. Okay, it says topic. This topic already exists, so I'll rename this to okay. So this topic has been created. So next what we saw is we need to start the producer, right? So producer will put some message, right? So we need to again go to this location /bin /windows, and to start the producer so my name of producer was name of the topic was this. I've started my producer. Then to start the consumer, if your version is greater than 2, or it is 2. So the default port will be 9092. So you can see here my Kafka version is, it is 2.12, right? So I'll execute this command on 9092 port, right? So I'll open the consumer. For the consumer, oh sorry, I need to go to the location. I've opened another command prompt window for the same. So I'm going to start the consumer. So my consumer has started. So I'll place here parallelly, right? So this is my producer, this is my consumer, right? My producer has already started. Okay, so I'll put my first message on the producer. So you can see here, my consumer is able to consume that message, right? So I'm putting some message on this specific topic and consumer is able to, I'll put some another, right? So these are the steps which can help you set up Kafka. So these are simple. So for using the conductor and the Docker commands, I actually don't have conductor installed on my system as of now, but I would definitely show you in my next video on the same, but steps would be similar, right? You have these Docker commands. Firstly, make sure you have Docker installed on your system. So let's cover in the next video on the same. And also friends, don't forget to add your comments if you have any queries for the same. So I'll definitely come back on the same. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.